Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into an incredible story about evolution that started in the Galapagos Islands. If you've ever heard of Darwin's finches, you'll want to stick around. So Charles Darwin's 1835 voyage to the Galapagos Islands laid the foundation for his theory of evolution by natural selection. He observed diverse species of finches, each with unique beak shapes, perfectly adapted to their food sources. Fast forward to the late 20th century, and we meet Rosemary and Peter Grant. This husband and wife team of evolutionary biologists dedicated 40 years to studying these very finches. Setting up camp on Daphne Major, a small volcanic island, they meticulously tracked finch populations, their diets and environmental changes. Their long-term study was nothing short of groundbreaking. The Grants confirmed Darwin's theory of character displacement. They noticed that during a drought, a larger finch species outcompeted a smaller one, causing a decrease in the average beak size of the smaller species. But that's not all. They also discovered something Darwin hadn't anticipated: hybridization. Different finch species interbreeding, forming entirely new lineages. This highlighted the role of interbreeding in driving evolutionary diversity, something that had been underestimated. Their research has huge implications for conservation. It emphasizes the need to protect entire ecosystems, showing how species are interconnected. The resilience provided by interbreeding among finch species helped them survive challenging environmental conditions. Rosemary's memoir, One Step Sideways, Three Steps Forward, reflects on their fascinating journey and the joy of shared scientific discovery. Grant's work is a testament to the power of observation and long-term research in understanding evolution. So next time you think about evolution, remember the incredible story of Darwin's finches and the remarkable work of the Grants. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it.